Okay, so I am going to show you how to modify this tree and rhinestone design. We're not going to do anything to this, so I am going to hide this. And what I'm going to do is on the right-hand panel, there's a little eyeball. Do you see that? I'm going to click on that. And this, I'm going to click on the little eyeball on the right-hand panel. And I'm not going to leave this little dot, so I'm going to hide that as well. I'm highlighting this and I'm going to make a duplicate just because I want to make sure I have a copy just in case I make a mistake. So I'm going to go to the right panel where it says there's two little squares, click duplicate, and I'm going to move this over. And I am going to hide this. I'm going to hide this. Now I'm going to move this aside and I'm going to work on this. Let me make this a little bit larger so you can see what I'm doing. And what we want to do is we can leave this template just as it is because all we have to do is just put some yellow rhinestones here. But if we want to make it in a separate template just for the star, what we're going to do is we're going to go to shapes. We're going to get a square. And I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to resize this. And I'm going to cover up this portion. Now, when I click on it and I put my cursor right in the corner, do you see the arrow converts into a curved arrow? That will allow me to maneuver the box in a tilt. Do you see that? And I want to keep all of these green circles intact. So I'm going to highlight both of these. And then at the bottom right panel, you're going to click on Slice. Okay, let's delete this. And I'm going to delete this and I'm going to make this yellow. So I'm going to go under Operations and let's make this a little dark yellow. And I'm going to highlight both and I am actually going to group this. So now I can move the whole thing together. It's going to cut separately, but it's going to, right now for the purpose of this, just to see it. Now we got to worry about the vinyl. We're going to do the same operation. We're going to go under Shapes on the left panel. We're going to get another square. We're going to go to the top under Size, and I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to resize it. And I'm going to tilt this, right? Let me make sure that, tilt it a little bit more to the right. Does that look good? Make this a little bit larger just to make sure. Oops. Let's tilt this a little bit to the right. Move this over. I'll make sure I get. I think I got it. All right. So now I'm going to highlight both of these. Go to the bottom right under Slice. Click on that. It's going to blink, and then I'm going to move this out. I'm going to move that out, and I'm going to change this to a light yellow. And I am going to group this again, just so it's visually easier. Now let me reduce this a bit so we can see both. And actually, let me arrange this. I'm going to arrange, send to the back, and then I'm going to take this and put this right on top. And look how fabulous that looks. Doesn't that look great? So there you have it. It's going to cut separately, these colors, the yellow and the green. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit the like and subscribe so I can teach you more tutorials. Thanks. Bye now.